we can take care of it in the wintertime. But then in the summertime, we also want to maintain humidity level in your house. So George, let's talk a little bit about this whole house dehumidifier.
So the whole house dehumidifier is pretty much the same concept as where in the wintertime we're trying to add humidity. In the summertime we want to control our humidity by removing it. So the great thing about this is we want to end up keeping humidity 50% or lower. The lower we can get, that can actually remove dust mites, other allergens in the air, especially those who have asthma and everything.